today we're going to be learning some basic signs, words, phrases in sign language. In this clip, we're going to learn the words cold, hot, rain, summer, and snow. As I've mentioned in previous clips, it's very difficult to learn all of these words at once, so you might want to take one of these clips day by day and learn a couple of new words, which is why we're only learning 5 words per clip. So let's start off with cold. That's an easy one. Imagine if you were cold, what would you be doing? You'd be shivering. Cold, cold, cold. This is again where facial expression and body language is very important. Cold. Hot. Hot is a little bit different. You want to take your hands almost like a claw and like you're putting them to your mouth, like you ate something hot or had something hot on a spoon perhaps. Hot. And then you take it away. Hot. Hot. Not to be confused with bad as what we did in an earlier clip. Bad is a flat hand. Bad. And that's again with your facial expression you can signify bad. Bad. Whereas the difference is hot. 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 Rain. Again, you want to take those sort of claws with your fingers. Rain. Rain. Like it's falling. Rain. Rain. Not to be confused then with snow. So we go from rain, rain, to snow. Kind of like snowflakes gently falling from the sky. Rain, snow. Rain, snow. And finally we have summer. Summer, you want to take the letter X like this, and you want to move it across your brow like you're sweating. Summer. 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 Summer.